they say prevention is better than cure. You know, many spiritual problems wouldn't have escalated if you have taken the right step at the right time. And this particular video today is so important, and it's all about having copulations with woman or a man. I don't want to use the language because of the YouTube rules. I don't want this video to get flagged. Okay, I hope you understand. So this video is all about problems that you can encounter after copulating with a strange woman or a strange man. This is very common with guys, especially. You will just meet a lady and you sleep with her, and before you realize, everything starts falling apart. Your business starts failing, things are not moving well. So I've made videos like this in the past where I talked about the many problems that is attached with sleeping with any random girls or any random man. This is not really about men. If you're a woman watching this also, this is also very important for you. So you need to be doing this kind of things to fortify yourself, to cleanse the problems that are related to copulations. I want to use that language, the intercourse with man or women, so that you won't be experiencing stagnations, failures, all sorts of problems. Because you see, everyone has their spiritual tags, and if you sleep with someone with a wrong spiritual tags that does not match yours, it is possible to experience problems. So most especially people that are living the kind of wayward life that will just go and carry different girls. If you are not doing this kind of things, it is possible to be experiencing a lot of problems, and then you will be blaming your village people, you will be blaming your mothers, you will be blaming your sister, you will be saying all sorts of things that maybe someone is doing you, not knowing that you attract the problem to yourself. I've made video about that, about issue related to that, so I won't be taking much of your time today. I will be explaining this particular. You can see this video is not edited, it's not, nothing is done on it. I'm just doing it so obviously I will post it like this because someone narrated the problem to me, and I say, okay, let me give out these tips. So what do you need to get? If you want to do this, you must do it instantly after meeting that woman. This is not actually for married men, it's not for married women also. It's just for if you are sleeping with someone you don't know their background. Even knowing their background, sometimes if you don't know their spiritual identity, because before before your spiritual identity can match with someone else, there should be some time frame in it. So you don't just, that's why so for some men watching this, you will meet some woman and you feel that your body is not rising up. I don't know if you've done that. Your manhood is not working. So I've seen people that narrated this, but what they don't understand is, if you meet, I want to give this this like a extra bonus to this video. If you just met a woman and you're about to have things together, you want to do copulations, let's use that language, and you realize that your manhood is not working that particular moment. Sometimes it's not that the woman is using Kayamanta or the woman is using Thunderbolt or is using any spiritual power. Sometimes it is your spiritual head, your spiritual guidance defending you. Because it's not every time that such happens that means that maybe the woman is using something for you to collect your money. I'm not disputing the fact that there are spiritual work a woman can put in her body. And when you try to sleep, most especially all these prostitutes and the rest of them, they normally do that when they put the thing in their body. When the man comes closer to them, your manhood will not work and your money got wasted. So you won't complain. So because you are the one at all, but they do, that's one of the things they normally do. So if you are a man and this thing happens also, it's not all the time that it means that the woman is using something. It may be that your guardian angel is trying to protect you. God is trying to give you that red flag, show you that red flag, so that you can walk away. But many men are still very adamant. They will still go ahead and do that thing, and at the end of the day, they will start complaining, start blaming witches, blaming wizards, blaming their village people, all the rest of them. Sometimes most problems are self-inflicted, not something that someone else is doing to us, that we inflicted on ourselves. So what do you need to get this? I will flip this camera now so you can see what I have before me here. So if you want to do this, you will need to get this couple of things. If you just met the woman, if you just slept with the woman, you must do it instantly before it's too late. So it must not pass that day. After meeting the woman and you are sure that you have not been related, you are not married, just any random woman or random man. It's not only for men alone, it's for women too. So you will get a salt. A spoonful of salt is enough. So when you get something like this, like you can see this one now, this is like a spoonful of salt. This is enough. Then you will get a candle. Go and buy a candle. White candle is recommended for this. White candle. Get a white candle like this. Then get what we call camphor, kafura, belebe. This thing, you can buy it anywhere. For those of you that will be saying, I'm living in diaspora, I cannot get this thing, you can get it anywhere. So even if you are in the US, you can buy this. Is why I'm showing it, because last time I made a video on it, so someone was saying they couldn't find it in the US, and I have people that are using it. You can buy this thing everywhere. It is called kafura pelebe. It's camphor. What's the name? Rectangular camphor or kafura. That's the name I know of it. So go and buy something like this. In fact, you can buy this and keep it if you know that you are the kind of man that sleeps around with different women. So or maybe not with different women. Maybe you just met. Maybe you are in a relationship. You are not married yet. You can also do this. You can also do this because a woman that you have not married is also like like someone you are seeing outside, like all these girls you are seeing outside. Also for women, a man you have not married is just so like that. So if you have not married and you are having things together, you should be doing this once in a while. Go and buy this and keep. Go and buy this thing and keep, because this is the only one that you can find very hard to get in a situation, because the thing can happen anytime. You cannot tell when the woman will come. You cannot tell when the thing can happen. It's not. They will say it's the work of the devil. You don't know how it comes. Before you will be hearing the story that touches. Go and buy this thing and keep in your bag all the time. So instantly you can even keep, because you can buy salt anywhere. That's why I'm saying you should buy this and keep in your pocket, because this is the only item that can be scarce to get. So in that moment, so after getting this, you just need one is enough. Take one out, because this thing now, let me show you, so you can see this thing now. If I take one out now, so this is, they have separated it inside, so this one is enough. You are going to grind it. When you grind it, it will turn to something like this. It will be like this. So when you grind, you can use back of a spoon, you can use anything, you can even use your hand to press it. It will grind. It will turn into this powdered salt. It will turn to something like this, okay, like a fine salt like this, not coarse. So when you grind them very well, you will mix it with the salt. Mix both with the salt. Then you are going to light this candle. When you light this candle, you will put it on a white paper like this, on a white paper or anything, or any hard surface. Then while the fire is on, quickly say your prayer for cleansing. So in fact, if you know the name of the woman you just left, or the man you mentioned it, that any problem they have, any generational problem, should not be transferred to you, because spiritual problem can be transferred irrespective whether you use condom or not. Because many of you will be saying, if I use condom, if I do this type, if their chest is not meeting my chest, it's not about that. So any type of style can still attract problems to your life. So irrespective of whether you are doing doggy or anything, it will still effect to different problems. So so you should say the prayer that the problem in this so person body should not be transferred to me. And if you don't know the name of the person, just mention why the candle is burning, mention the names and their whatever, then go and pour this into a bucket of water. Go and pour this thing into a bucket of water, and then use your hand to mix it. Use it to shower instantly. Use the water to bath. You can use it with soap or ordinarily. Just make sure you use it to bath like that. If you like, you can repeat it like 3 times. But if you don't, you just do it like that. No problem. It will still work. So you do that instantly that day before it's too late. So that problems from will not transfer to you. Okay, I hope you have learned this today. And if you find this helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this video. It is very important. It will work for you massively if you share it and like this video if you subscribe. And God bless you as you do that. I still remain your spiritualist, Ifajimi Fakayode. Next time I will be coming on your screen for more important videos like this. Till then, stay blessed.